So I think we should start in this sort of discussion, asking what is science?
At ATAR, we're focused on new pathways in immunology.
At the end of the day, what we're trying to do is to manipulate the DNA to basically provide a fix. That's a case where we say you have a broken gene, we put it into, in this case, your stem cells, we give it back to you, and it goes to your bone marrow, and then it gets produced.
Primary focus of cognition has been on novel compounds to treat neurodegenerative diseases, and particularly we focused on Alzheimer's disease.
At Editas Medicine, we are working on what's called genome editing, and the particular technology that we work on is called CRISPR, and it's fascinating because it's a pretty young technology.
We're really interested in is can we use fewer or in many cases no opioids to control post-surgical pain.
We are famous for zinc finger gene editing, but we're expanding what we do to include both gene editing, gene therapy, cell therapy.
Specifically, Sutro is working on antibody-drug conjugates, which are a combination of a targeting agent and antibody that goes specifically to a tumor cell with a toxin that is attached to it. It's kind of a smart bomb for cancer therapy.
In San Diego, we're going to have something like 17,000 of the smartest scientists and entrepreneurs from all over the world who are going to be talking about and unveiling some of the most exciting breakthroughs in biotechnology.
We are at the dawn, not high noon, but the dawn of a whole era of medicine.
At the same time, we're worried. We're worried about what Congress and the President could do in terms of bad policy.
The BIO International Convention is the one place where the entire industry gets together to meet once a year.
And all of a sudden, the whole field of biotechnology explodes because you have brilliant people talking to other brilliant people. And this is a constantly changing industry. If you're not there, you really don't know what the greatest and latest advances are.
The BIO Convention is a place where you can see all of the aspects of biotechnology at once and how much it impacts every aspect of our lives, and will continue to.
One cannot succeed on one's own. You have to partner, and it's almost creating the right ecosystems.
To potentially inking a partnership that could help your company.
Whether we're government affairs, or we're business development, or we're patient advocacy, there's a tremendous amount of interactions where we can go and we can engage and learn.
I think bio helps us all get together and understand all of those kinds of things and makes it possible, actually, because we learn how to fund, we learn how to lean on each other to get through certain problems.
Every year we try to get very exciting speakers to our convention, and this year I'll be interviewing David Cameron, the former Prime Minister of the United Kingdom. We're also excited to have Ann Romney, the wife of Mitt Romney, who suffers from multiple sclerosis.
If biotechnology is important to you, you need to be at the Bio Conference in San Diego.
You could say that the purpose of science is to make order prevail.
This is the future of science in our lives.
To make good prevail over evil.
I think we contribute enormously to the benefit of mankind. We can make a fundamental difference.
To make life prevail over death.
Maybe 5 or 10 years from now, this company will have played some role in helping other people not to have to face Alzheimer's disease. If you want to see what's absolutely the cutting edge of biotechnology, come to San Diego.